Hello, Julia. It's me, Bill Ivory. I'm doing a little video for you to just give you an idea of what I have to go through on average twice a day, every day, in relation to our hot water. What I have to do when I get up in the morning, I just come up to the attic and I check to see if we have hot water, if the hot water heat pump has gone out or not. And so I hope the lighting is okay, and I hope you can hear me clearly enough on this. It's a very small camera, and what I'm going to do is show you what I have to do, and I'm just going to let the camera run until we get the heat pump on again. So normally I get up in the morning, I come up and I check. When I come home from work at night, I come upstairs, I check. If it's out, which it usually is, I'll reset it then also. So I'm resetting it like twice a day on average. I keep a little flashlight up here, and as you can see, the little red light on the left means that the heat pump is not on. Also, the heat pump does make a sound when it's running. Now, the plumber showed me what to do the last time he was here. He said the first thing I have to do is turn off that valve, which I'm doing. Then I have to turn off that valve right there, which I've done. Then I have to hit the reset, and we have to wait until it comes on again. So I'm going to set the camera over here. I hope this is getting what's going on. Then I have to hit this. It comes on, or it tries to come on. We might have it. Nope. Okay, so we'll do it again. see, it doesn't always catch right away. I've been up here sometimes for as long as more than a half hour, like I was earlier today. It wouldn't take off, and it's still not taking off. And you can see sometimes even the reset button doesn't always like to cooperate. Twice a day, every day. This is what I go through. Gets a bit tedious after a while, especially when you have to hit it like 20 or 30 times before it will ignite. It's a bit hot up here also. Yeah. This is a lot of fun for me. I enjoy this a lot. Gives me a chance to, interact with technology and things. almost thought we had it that time. Do you have to do this where you live, Julia? I mean, is this normal? Is this what I should expect? I mean, maybe I'm doing something wrong. I don't know. Like using water. I don't know. It really does. It's starting to irritate my thumb now. My thumb's getting sore from doing this. This is great. I just love this. This is wonderful. Give it a couple more tries. If not, I'll just... My intent was to videotape this until it's fired up again. But it's obviously not firing up. It's not resetting. I'll give it a couple more tries. If it doesn't, I'll just shut off the camera, and you know, I'll come back up later on tonight to see if I can get the damn thing to ignite. Nope. Nope, nope, nope. So, that's what it's like for us. I just wanted you to see what we go through around here because of the heat pump. Thank you. Maybe we could get something done.